Dear viewers, today we're going to show you how to make keema stuffed bread ball. First of all, we're going to cook the keema. We need a bit of oil in a pan. Add our onion, salt, pepper, we're gonna cook our chicken mince as well in the same time. Okay viewers, we're gonna put some chopped tomatoes now, and in the same time we're going to add some tomato puree. We're going to put some garlic ginger paste, touch of turmeric, touch of coriander, touch of garam masala, touch of cumin. The spice and the chicken, they are cooking very nicely. They are well aware. Viewers, we're gonna cut the bread now because we're gonna serve it in a bread bowl. This is our lid. Now we're going to take that off. Viewers, now we're going to stuff it with the spinach. It's fresh spinach, so I'm going to season it. Salt. Now I'm going to put my chicken. We're going to put our chicken on top. We stuffed that with spinach, chicken. Now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese all around. And we're going to put some cheese mild cheddar on top. Yummy. Now we're going to make another layer with the spinach. Another layer of chicken. Now we're going to put our Parmesan. Our mild cheddar on top. And we put our lid. Now we're going to cover it with the fuel pepper. Viewers, we cover it with the fuel. Viewers, we cover it with the fuel paper. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 14 to 15 minutes. The oven got to be preheated. My oven is preheated 180 degrees. It's going to the oven. Viewers, we're going to take it off after 15 minutes. Viewers, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how they looks like. Viewers, let's have a look. Oh, all the cheese is melting. Let's cut it off. Viewers, my cheese is melted, my chicken is lovely, and the spinach there looks really delicious. I can't wait to try it. It's gonna be lovely, yummy, and delicious. Enjoy my chicken and spinach in a bread bowl. Enjoy and bon appetit. Viewers, that's my beautiful, oh, wonderful chicken spinach in a bread bowl. Enjoy and bon appetit.